Are you tired of too many accounts cluttering your Messenger app on Android? Well, then this video is for you. I will show you the easiest method you can follow to get rid of those unwanted profiles from your Messenger. So, without delaying any further, let's get into the method. First, what you need to do is open the Messenger app. Here, you will see a three-line icon on the corner. Then tap on your profile. Now in here, find the account you want to delete. Drag the account to the left. Now you will see a trash can icon. Click on it, and this prompt will appear. In here, select Remove, and that's it. Your unwanted account is deleted. So that's how easy it is to delete a Messenger icon on Android device. As an extra tip, make sure to note down your passwords somewhere before deleting accounts. If you want to log back to those deleted accounts, this can come really handy. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, and if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can.